Hello everyone, today is Monday, November 22nd, and what you're looking at here, finally out of beta testing, is the Blueprint software. This software is absolutely new. It's based off a methodology we teach in mentorship called the Blueprint method. It uses price and time and distance, and it does not use indicators, which is a beautiful thing. So before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Please do not trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. So when we look at trading price or price action, the first thing we want to avoid is indicators. So you'll never see any type of moving averages or bands or multiple indicators that are really confusing to most traders unless they're specific to the type of trading you do. The Blueprint is something that I've taught and we teach in the mentorship class manually. So we teach you to look at the signals, the trend, support, resistance, and if this provides an opportunity, we buy or we sell. We don't try to overcomplicate the method. And so for many years, traders have asked me, let's try to get this automated. And finally, I've gotten a chance to have this automated with the signals to be a buyer or to be a seller. As you can see, it catches multiple moves, especially if you're a day trader, but it's also good for swing trading. In the upcoming videos, I'll also show you how to swing trade this method and look at the back end. But for right now, this is just a sneak peek into using the Blueprint software, which is the methodology taught in mentorship, which is the Blueprint program. If you have any questions, feel free to email us or visit daytradetowin.com to get more information. If you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit daytradetowin.com, join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the Day Trade to Win YouTube channel. We focus on price action and we work exclusively with new and beginner traders who want to learn more on how to prosper from trading.